Hi, this is Eric, Parts Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to change the direction of your dryer's door. These instructions apply to dryers made by Whirlpool, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new part for your dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. Some dryers are built with the option to switch what direction the dryer door opens, either from the left or from the right. The door hinge, door strike, and door catch on this style of dryer are designed to be installed on either side, as you can see from the indentations on the front panel and the notches on the inner door panel. Changing the direction of the dryer's door can help make it easier to access the inside of the dryer based on your room. If you want your dryer's door to open from the left, the door strike will need to be mounted on the left side of the dryer, the door catch on the right side of the inner door panel, and the hinge on the left side of the inner door panel. If you want your dryer's door to open from the right, the door strike will need to be mounted on the right side of the dryer, the door catch on the left side of the inner door panel, and the hinge on the right side of the inner door panel. To change the door's direction, first we'll need to remove and disassemble the dryer's door. Using a T25 Torx bit, remove these 4 screws. Lift to remove the door from the dryer. Next, set the door on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. To separate the door panels, remove these 13 Phillips head screws. Do not remove any of the Torx head screws, as they hold other components like the glass, the hinge, and the spring catch in place. Next, lift on the inner door panel to separate it from the outer door panel. Set the outer door panel aside for later. Using a T25 Torx bit, remove these 5 screws holding the hinge assembly to the inner door panel. Lift the inner door panel and remove the hinge assembly. Using a T25 Torx bit, remove the 3 screws holding the door catch assembly in place. Lift to remove the door catch cover. Then lift the inner door panel and remove the door catch and bracket assembly. With the inner door panel disassembled, you can now change the side each part is installed on. If you want your dryer's door to open from the right, you will need to install the door catch on the left side of the inner door panel and the door hinge on the right side. If you want your dryer's door to open from the left, you will need to install the door catch on the right side of the inner door panel and the door hinge on the left side of the inner door panel. Rotate the door hinge assembly 180 degrees and align this notched section to this cutout on the inner door panel. Then install the 5 T25 Torx screws to secure the hinge assembly in place. Rotate the door catch and bracket assembly 180 degrees and align it to the inner door panel so the door catch aligns with this cutout on the inner door panel. Then, align the door catch cover to the door panel and set it in place. Install the 3 T25 Torx screws to hold the door catch assembly in place. Set the inner door panel aside and grab the outer door panel for reinstallation. To align the door panels, insert the side with the hinge assembly first and work your way around the panels to make sure that the inner door panel is sitting on the inside of the outer door panel. Then, press down on the door catch cover to snap the 2 panels together. Install the 13 Phillips head screws to secure the door together. We suggest doing this by hand to avoid damaging or breaking the plastic mounts and threads. Now with the dryer's door removed is a good time to move the door strike to the correct side. If you want your dryer's door to open from the left, you'll need to install the door strike on the left side of the dryer. Since we want our dryer's door to open from the right, we will move the door strike to the right side. To change the door strike location, remove the 4 placeholder screws using a T25 Torx bit. These screws don't hold anything in place and are here just to fill the door hinge slots when they are not in use. Then, remove the 2 screws holding the door strike in place. Lift up and away from the dryer to remove the strike. Rotate the strike 180 degrees and align it to the retainers on the other side of the dryer. Then, install the 2 T25 Torx screws to hold it in place. Install the 4 placeholder screws in these slots using a T25 Torx bit. With the strike changed, we can now reinstall the door. Align the retainers on the door hinge to these slots on the front panel. Then, install the 4 T20 screws to secure the door to the dryer. Close the door and make sure that it is working properly. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.